Will you explain this to me really quick?
No, you explain it.
What's going on here right now?
You're going whitewater rafting.
No, I know, but we're not going down the stream?
No, we're going up to start at the top.
Up there?
Yeah.
Look behind you.
Are you scared?
Is it up there?
Are you scared?
No, I just finally got happy.
Are you chicken? Goodbye.
Oh, Jimmy. Look at this, huh? This driver's on top of there. That's exactly what it looks like. We're going whitewater rafting. Mountain roads in a school bus.
We're going off-roading. Look up there.
Yeah, no, we're mobbing. We are fully mobbing in this bus. Alisha, how fast are we going?
Like 55, 60.
Unreal, look. Yeah. Drifting on this corner right here. School bus.
Bye guys. Nana, bye. Now pick it up, pick it up. Look at these guys. Oh, paddle to right. Everybody paddle. Just hang on. Spread your legs and there's a rock right underneath us. Yeah.
Paddle on the right. On the right. Right, yeah, on the right. On the right, excellent.
Woo! Right, pick it up, pick it up. Just pick it up, keep it up, you're fine.
Excellent, guys, girls, easy things. 2 hands on the stick.
Dad.
What? 2 hands on the wheel, all right.
Oh, to the right. Uh-oh. Woohoo! Hi, guys. Okay. To the left. Here we go. Huh?
Everybody on the right-hand side. right at them. Don't look at anything. Go harder. Harder.
Show us the rope.
All right, stop.
Oh, did you guys just get stuck?
Yeah, we're
Ah! Guys! We're trying to push you guys. No, but they were just going to go around you.
I went where they told me.
Gotcha. Teamwork. Makes the dream work.
Hey, guys, paddle.
Guys,
Right
stay this
side,
way.
On the right side. Okay, right now, everybody paddle hard.
There's a
Bring
rock
up the
right
river.
there in front of you, Amanda.
Keep paddling. Shallow strokes. Shallow strokes.
He's not yelling at you, dude. He said blue boat. He's telling him what to do. Come on, Amanda! Yeah, stay to the left. Whoa, there's a big rock in front of
That's
you.
what we
Pick up
can
your
do.
feet.
Everybody lift up now.
There's a big rock right here. Hey. Uh-oh. Pick up the rock.
Stop paddling.
Hold on, lean back. She nailed the lean. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? They went to the right. Where's Amanda?
They lost her.
They're gone.
Where am I?
I think we need to go to the left and then, oh, we're going to here.
No, let's go to the left. Right
No.
there. Yeah. Let's go to the left. Come on. Oh, shit.
Dad, you're turning us south. Okay, I would say pick up your paddle and hold on. Okay, hold on. And lean back a little bit. Lean back.
Lean back.
Woo! Hold on. Brace yourself and hold on. Here we go. You got a good grip, Dan? Yeah. Okay, go with the water. Oh, there's a rock right there. I know. Okay. There we go. Woo! Good job. Good job. Good job. There we go. Woo! Huh? There's a Yeti right there. Hold on. Okay, go. Okay. Oh, here we go. We're going down. Okay, hold on. Lean with the water. Hold on and lean with the water.
Nice. Look at this.
Oh, there's a big ass rock
Oh,
right there.
yeah.
That's a big ass rock.
Right in the.
Oh,
yeah.
there we go. Oh, there's another big one. Notice I am not laughing. That's
paddling on the right. Excellent. Just like that. That's enough.
No,
just like that. Stay
you're good.
going,
You're good.
Just like that.
There's a
Gently.
big rock right there, so just hang
Keep
on.
going, just like that.
B1, hold on.
Yep. Nice.
Hang on.
Oh, you guys are good.
Woo-hoo! Oh, they're watching for us. Look how cute they are. Oh, big rock. We're looking back.
A little off the lip.
You can sit up. You're fine.
Nothing. Nothing.
B1 with the water. Uh-oh. Ah!
Boom.
Yes. Okay, hang on. You hanging on? Yeah. Hang on, this is going to be a good little bounce. Oh, that feels good. I know. That water feels really good. Woo! Is everybody hanging on and braced? Dad, are you hanging on? We're just going to go with the water. Nope, it's not even close to the mother. It's a baby mother. Here we go. Lean with it. Go with it. Good job. Hold on and lean. Stay up so you have control, but lean. Be one with it. Oh, that felt amazing. Hold on. Lean with the water. We've already done this. Lean with the water. Now I'm smiling. Lean. Lean with the water. Go with it. You want to go to the right? Yes, go to the right. Go to the right. Out of the way. No, not that way. We did the mother backwards! Lean, lean, lean. so good.
Oh, I love this guy.
Woo!
Alicia, will you explain this to me really quick?
No, you explain it.
What's going on here right now?
You're going whitewater rafting.
No, I know, but we're not going down the stream?
No, we're going up to start at the top.
Up there.
Yeah.
Look behind
Are
you.
you scared?
Is it up there?
Are you scared?
No, I just finally got
Are you
happy.
chicken?
Buck, 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 buck.
Okay, bye.